All right, this is on the admin side of msmath.info, and this is how you make a homework. So I click on homework, and I can click new homework, and I can click the homework name. Let's call it decimal practice. I can do a passing percentage, which I'm going to do is 80. Kids can earn some coins. They get 10 if they get the homework correct, and they lose 10 if not. I can put a video link here, and I've got this one here. And so if they don't pass the topic, they have to watch the video. And then this is where I select the topic, and I can just type in decimals because I'm going to want some decimals. Let's do some adding, subtracting decimals. Let's say this is for just kind of one of my average classes. I might do like 4 level 1s, 4 level 2s, maybe 3 level 3s. And then I want to do some more decimals. Let's do multiplying decimals. And I'll do, I don't know, 3, 3, and 2. All right. I'll add another topic. I want to get some more decimals in. And let's do word problems. And let's just do a few of these. Okay. And then I click done, and my homework is created. And I could actually go here and look at, assign a class to the homework. I could edit it if I need to edit the title or whatever else. And then I can see the results once I put in classes here.